fast cat service from Portsmouth Harbour mainline railway station, just over here on the right. They pick up their passengers across the Solent to Ryde Pier on the Isle of Wight. Now this is generally a 23-minute crossing. And actually, if you look behind us, it's just coming through the harbour entrance right now. Now, for those people who just joined me a moment ago back at Gunwharf, please don't go anywhere. You haven't had your harbour tour yet. We're just calling into the second stop, the dockyard, to drop off the people who have. While we're here, we pick up some more passengers and carry on with the tour. If you are leaving here and now, could you check? Have you got all the belongings and possessions you brought aboard with you? Thanks again for coming along with us today. We hope you've enjoyed the tour, and please be very careful stepping off the vessel. Now, for the people who are staying on board with us, once everybody else gets off, try and get the seats on the right-hand side, facing the Warrior, because when we get going again,